From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for April 30th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar. For today's trade analysis, I've zoomed the chart over a little bit here on the daily time frame so we can see some history for the level that the market is currently testing, right around the 1.2070, 1.2095 level. The pink shaded area here is sort of in the middle of the chart. If you follow it back from the current price, which is on the right hand side, you can see this blue circle right in the middle of the chart. Significant resistance there, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and bounced the market back down into the low 1900s. You can see the green circle just underneath there, the orange shaded area. So that's significant from the pink zone down to the orange zone. We come back a little bit further, left hand side of the chart, you see the black circle, resistance into that pink shaded area as well, repelling the market and sending it back lower again. So two times historically under the pink shaded area, 1.2070, 2095, we saw the market repel it as resistance and send it back lower. I think if we go back just a little bit more, you can even see a little bit of a spike wick here just before that black circle. So historically, this is a significant resistance level. So that means today we're looking at that same area, the pink shaded area, as support. Now we look at Thursday and Friday, and now today, Monday, sitting on top of that same level as support. So we know that this is a decision zone. That's really what we want to call this pink shaded area. Not just resistance, not just support, but a decision zone where the market, the Forex, has decided to either buy or sell, exchange hands, entering and exiting at this specific level. And that's what's happened factually. There's nothing we can change about that. That's what's been happening around this level. So it gives us an opportunity as individual traders to also discover chances to get into the market, either buying or selling, entering or exiting around this same level, because the market has done that before. Well, there's really only two options that we have here as the market challenges this area. And I'll zoom in one more time so we can see this pink zone a little bit closer. There's really only two things that are going to happen here. It's either going to bounce off of it in reverse, and I'll put a upside arrow here. It's either going to bounce off it, reverse, and go back up, which is tried to do on Friday, or it's going to break through it and go back down. So we can use lots of different tools to try to figure that out. Price action, candlestick structures, formations, hammer candlestick, bullish or bearish engulfing candles. Those are the types of things price action wise we would look for. We could look for indicators, whether you're using stochastic, MACD, Bollinger Band, any indicator, some conglomeration of moving averages. Any indicator you use is just there to help you identify one of those two things. Is it going to bounce off of this level and go back up? Or is it going to break through this level and go back down? So that's what we're looking for, is clues and evidence to one of those two things. Well, so far today, we don't really see today any evidence of a bounce and a reversal to go back up. It's a red candle. It's challenging 1.2070, so there's this potential that it breaks out underneath the pink zone, going back to the yellow zone, or maybe even further, which we saw back in time, back down here towards this orange shaded. That's one potential. So we're watching for clues. A breakout underneath 1.2070 to give us an opportunity to take a short and head back lower down to the mid to low 1.1900s. Or, again, we don't really yet see it, but we're looking for clues and evidence. Price action, indicators that tell us it's going to bounce and go back up. So I don't think we have either scenario yet set up here. So that's what we're going to watch for today, maybe even into tomorrow. We're going to watch for a setup that tells us it's a bounce to go back up or a break to continue lower for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.